For decades, science fiction has warned us about robots taking over. These tales often painted a grim picture of a future where humans are rendered obsolete by their own creations. Today, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the job market, moving beyond mere support roles to actual replacement. From customer service chatbots to sophisticated data analysis tools, AI is becoming an integral part of many industries. What was once the stuff of dystopian novels is now our reality. The integration of AI into our daily lives is no longer a distant dream, but a present-day phenomenon. We see AI in our homes, our cars, and increasingly in our workplaces. Smart home devices, autonomous vehicles, and AI-powered machines are becoming commonplace. This isn't just about automation replacing factory workers. The scope of AI's influence is far-reaching, touching various sectors and job roles. AI's reach extends to white-collar professions like accounting, law, and even medicine. Accountants use AI for complex financial analysis, lawyers for legal research, and doctors for diagnostic assistance. While this evolution brings incredible advancements, it also triggers anxieties about job security and the future of work. Many employees worry about being replaced by machines. It's crucial to remember that this technological shift isn't inherently good or bad. The impact of AI on our lives depends on how we choose to implement and regulate it. It's how we adapt and navigate this change that will determine its impact on our lives. Embracing continuous learning and upskilling can help us stay relevant in this evolving landscape. This essay explores the evolving landscape of AI job replacement, examining its potential impacts and offering strategies to thrive in this new era. By understanding and preparing for these changes, we can harness the benefits of AI while mitigating its risks. The integration of AI into various industries is undeniable. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI is making its presence felt in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. From self-driving cars to AI-powered financial trading, the evidence of this transformative technology is everywhere. In healthcare, AI is assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and swiftly. This shift is not a distant threat, it's happening now. Companies are increasingly adopting AI to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Research suggests that AI could automate up to 30% of current jobs globally by 2030. This means millions of jobs could be affected, altering the employment landscape significantly. This statistic, while daunting, shouldn't be met with fear. Instead, it should be seen as an opportunity to evolve and adapt. It's a call to action, urging us to understand the specific ways AI is reshaping the job market and prepare accordingly. Education and training will be key in this transition. The key is to view AI not as a job-stealing monster, but as a powerful tool. When used correctly, AI can augment human capabilities and open up new possibilities. Just like the computers and the internet before it, AI has the potential to increase productivity, create new job sectors, and enhance our lives. It can help us solve complex problems and innovate in ways we never thought possible. However, this requires proactive adaptation and a willingness to embrace change. By staying informed and adaptable, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for all. While AI offers incredible potential, certain jobs are more susceptible to automation. The rapid advancements in AI technology mean that tasks once thought to be secure are now at risk of being automated. Tasks that are repetitive, predictable, and data-driven are prime candidates for AI takeover. These tasks often involve routine processes that can be easily programmed into an AI system. This includes roles like data entry clerks, telemarketers, and even some aspects of accounting and legal work. These professions often involve a high degree of repetition and standardization, making them ideal for automation. It's important to note that AI isn't simply replacing entire professions. Instead, it's automating specific tasks within those professions. This means that while some job functions may be taken over by AI, other aspects of the job will still require human intervention. For example, in the legal field, AI can efficiently review documents and identify relevant case law, freeing up lawyers to focus on more complex tasks like client interaction and strategic decision-making. This allows legal professionals to leverage AI for mundane tasks while dedicating their expertise to more nuanced aspects of their work. This shift highlights the importance of understanding which skills are uniquely human and therefore less susceptible to automation. Skills that involve creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking are less likely to be replicated by AI. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are all skills that will remain highly valued in the age of AI. As AI continues to evolve, the human workforce will need to adapt by focusing on these irreplaceable skills to stay relevant and competitive. While some professions face disruption, others are poised to thrive in the age of AI. These AI-resilient careers often involve tasks that require a human touch, strategic thinking, and complex problem-solving skills. Healthcare professionals, for instance, rely on empathy, nuanced communication, and critical thinking to provide patient care. While AI can assist with tasks like diagnostics and data analysis, it cannot replace the human element crucial to effective healthcare. Similarly, educators play a vital role in fostering creativity, critical thinking, and social-emotional learning skills that are difficult for AI to replicate. The arts and creative fields also remain largely immune to AI automation, as they rely on uniquely human traits like imagination, originality, and emotional expression. The prospect of job displacement, even if driven by technological advancement, can trigger a range of emotions: anxiety, fear, and even anger. It's essential to acknowledge these valid concerns and address the psychological impact of AI-driven job loss. The loss of a job can impact an individual's sense of identity, purpose, and financial security. It can lead to feelings of uncertainty, inadequacy, and even depression. This is why it's crucial to approach this transition with empathy, support, and a focus on reskilling and adaptation. Governments, educational institutions, and employers all have a role to play in providing resources and support systems for individuals facing job displacement. This includes offering retraining programs, financial assistance, and career counseling services. Future-proofing your career strategies for the age of AI. Navigating the evolving job market requires a proactive approach. Instead of fearing AI, we must embrace it as a tool for personal and professional growth. Here are some strategies to future-proof your career in the age of AI. Embrace lifelong learning. The most valuable skill in the age of AI is adaptability. Continuously update your skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the curve. Focus on uniquely human skills. Cultivate skills like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving. Explore AI-adjacent fields. Consider careers that involve designing, developing, or maintaining AI systems. Network and collaborate. Connect with others in your field and stay informed about emerging trends. Embrace a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Embracing lifelong learning skills for a changing world. The rapid pace of technological advancement requires a shift from traditional education models to a lifelong learning approach. This means continuously acquiring new skills and knowledge throughout your career. Online learning platforms, workshops, and professional development programs offer accessible and flexible ways to upskill and reskill. Embrace these opportunities to stay relevant and adapt to the changing demands of the job market. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone and explore new areas of interest. Remember, learning is not limited to formal education. Engage in independent research, attend industry events, and network with professionals in your field to stay ahead of the curve. The rise of the machines and new opportunities for you. While AI will undoubtedly automate certain jobs, it will also create new opportunities. As AI takes over routine tasks, it frees up human workers to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling work. We can anticipate a surge in demand for professionals who can design, develop, and maintain AI systems. This includes roles like AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning specialists. Furthermore, AI will likely create entirely new industries and job categories that we can't even imagine yet. Just as the internet revolution spawned countless new businesses and career paths, AI is poised to do the same. A future forged together hope and adaptation in the age of AI. The integration of AI into the workforce is not a threat to be feared, but a challenge to embrace. By adopting a proactive approach, focusing on uniquely human skills, and embracing lifelong learning, we can navigate this transition and create a future where humans and AI work together. The key lies in adaptation and reinvention. By embracing the opportunities presented by AI, we can unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and human potential. The future is not something to be predicted. It is something to be created. Let us face the age of AI with courage, curiosity, and a commitment to building a brighter future for all.